It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
On a hot day, when you want some ice cream
And you don't have any, maybe you should try some cereal.
Drumstick cereal, mint chocolate flavored. I would not recommend this for breakfast, as it does not look like a breakfast food.
Show them the picture on the back now.
Waffle cone or an ice cream cone. The taste of the original sundae cone now in your cereal bowl.
Ooh, I'll try this. Yum.
We'll see what this is like. I don't think you should eat this for breakfast, but maybe as a treat, I don't know.
Yum, 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 yum.
All right, try them out.
Which one?
The one tastes like mint chocolatey cornflakes. This one, kind of like an ice cream cone.
These?
The chocolate
Yum. These
tastes
ones?
pretty chocolate.
These ones taste like
Yum.
No.
Graham crackers.
Yeah, graham crackers.
The chocolate tastes like not so much chocolate, but they're pretty crunchy. Time for mint.
So, you get 3 different kinds in there. You get your ice cream cone, you get your mint, and you get your chocolate.
The mint is soft and it's minty.
These one, the cocoa, they taste like Cocoa Puffs. I like them.
Go sit down.
What?
Go sit down.
I'd say the best out of the 3 is probably the cone.
Is it comparable to an ice cream cone?
No. Ice cream
Sort
is
of,
way
but
better.
not really. Ice cream cones are way better.
Would you want to eat it for breakfast?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The mints, they taste a lot better than the others, and they're not as crunchy.
What do you think, Em? Go sit down. Sit down and tell us what you think. Sit down. We can't see you. Sit down. Tell us what you think.
It's yummy and yum. It's yummy and yum.
Maybe you should chew first and then tell us again.
Yeah, they all.
It's
the corn.
minty and yummy. It's the minty ones are yummy.
The ice cream cone is super sweet. Like
So?
after you eat it, like 10 seconds later, there is like an
kicks
aftertaste
in.
sweetness.
Yeah.
So if somebody wanted ice cream, would this be a good alternative?
No, because it would
Somewhat.
not be cold.
What if you put cold milk in it and ate it
Yeah,
like
that would
cereal?
be good. But I don't know how that would taste.
Mom, I love it.
Yeah, I would say
Go
it's a
sit
thumbs
down and
up.
tell us.
Cold milk would make it different, though.
Yeah, a lot. And I bet the milk would turn
I
all greenish or
Yeah.
chocolatey.
Look at that. I'm in.
So should they buy it or should they just stick with ice cream?
Ice cream.
Depends
But
on if
it
you want
is
ice
good.
cream.
You should try it.
Depends on if you want ice cream for breakfast.
I want
That is a good snack.
cereal.
Yeah, it would make a good snack dry, but not necessarily for breakfast.
Yeah.
If you want ice cream, I would just get ice cream.
It's not what
Give me
if you're looking for ice
cereal.
cream, it's not what it does not taste like that.
Yeah.
All right, well, I probably don't even need to ask, but is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up. You get me mint.
Now, compared to cereal,
Go sit down.
I need mint. Take the whole box and give us some.
compared to cereal, is it the best cereal you've ever had?
Probably.
Hey,
What other cereals are comparable?
Sour Patch Kid.
you haven't tried that.
Oh, we might have tried that.
No, we didn't.
We've never tried that.
Like the really sugary ones, like
Yeah.
Looney Tunes.
And Oreo.
Looney Tunes. Oreo
Tried
cereals.
Oreo ones.
Those are like really sugary.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Oh, give me a scoop.